Today, I'm going to show you a free tool that converts SVG to 8 times super clear PNG, and it does it completely offline without uploading anything to any server. First, open any browser on your computer. In the search bar, type instantconvert.online. Hit enter and click on the first result. Once the site loads, you'll see a search bar at the top. Just type SVG to PNG in that search bar and click on the result. That's it. Your tool is ready.